Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Welcome back to another super exciting episode of GB's super spectacular unboxing adventures, where you never know what's going to come out of a box, what kind of box it is, what the box is made out of. Well, before we get into that, drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. Gotta like that. So today's box is a cardboard box. It's green, white, yellow, brown, blue, red, orange, white, I think I already said white, black. Made of cardboard, weighs 580 grams. It's 13 inches by, what was it there? 8 inches by 3.5. Sounds like this when you shake it. And it looks like this. Honey Nut Cheerios. Cheerios. Oh, meal et ox noix. They don't speak French. Savors Naturellis. Naturally flavored Honey Nut Cheerios. Bring back the bees.ca. Told you, lots of colors. Lots of colors. But how do we know there's Honey Nut Cheerios in there? It could be Rice Krispies in there. Or Oreo O's. Or regular Cheerios. Or dried bugs. You never know. So, let's open this bitch up, shall we? Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm so excited, I want another sip of beer. Alright. Hey, listen. We're gonna get some asthma out of this. Unboxing asthma. What if you unbox your own asthma? Or what if you just are an asthma? Listen. Here it comes. Listen. Wow. Oh my God. Listen. Woo! How's that? Little bit of asthma for your unboxaboner, eh? Woohoo! Eh? What's inside here? A bag. There's a bag in a box. Let's pull the bag out. Oh! There's O's. They look like Honey Nut Cheerios. The box is empty. There, it's unboxed. Yeah, Honey Nut Cheerios. Yeah, no fucking prize, eh? Kids these days get fucking burned. When we were kids, there's always a fucking prize in the cereal box. Or bag. Well, there you go, bitches. Some fucking Honey Nut Cheerios. And this is not normally the size that I buy. I usually buy the large size, family pack. But this was on sale. So, we put the bag back in the box. Back in box. Until the next super spectacular unboxing. Chug-a-lug, doodlebug. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Ah, fuck yeah.